Low-income families rely on Head Start, not only for early access to education, but also for access to childcare. The program celebrates its 60th birthday this week, but some fear it could be its last. Jack Springate has more on what the program means to some of the most vulnerable families.
Well, for many of the parents who now take their kids to Head Start, they were once Head Start kids themselves. Now, if this program loses funding in the next federal budget, these parents could be left without any affordable childcare options while their kids face an increased risk of going down the wrong path in life in the future.
The healthy mental awareness that she has at such a young age is very impressive to see her, how she handles her emotions, how she describes them.
It's one of the behaviors that stands out for Angelica Olvera's daughter after spending time in Head Start. One study suggests Head Start kids enter kindergarten more prepared and with better math and literacy skills. Another found Head Start kids are 31% less likely to end up in jail or prison as young adults. It's not clear if Head Start will be an option once the next school year starts.
Daycare, preschool costs a lot. Most families cannot afford the cost of daycare or preschool, so that's why Head Start is important across the country.
A Center for American Progress report says federal funds afford free childcare and early education for 25,000 Michigan children. While the next federal budget is far from finalized, Jonica says there are still concerns that any cuts to Head Start will just be passed along to low-income parents.
Right now, we don't know what funding looks like July 1. We haven't heard from the federal government about funding, and so that's going to have a big impact if we don't hear about our funding. Most agencies will have to close their doors.
It's not just the idea of Head Start programs shutting down, but it's been the reality in some cases. 5 Head Start regional offices had to close their doors, including the one that oversees us here in Michigan, following U.S. Department of Health and Human Services layoffs. That happened back on April 1st. For now, reporting in Detroit, I'm Jack Springate, CBS News, Detroit.